Alright, this video is a little bit more detailed breakdown on March 5th and March 6th. I'm putting both the dates together because I didn't want to split the video. But as you can see, they upped the risk from a 15 to a 30% down into more in the Dixie Alley area, like Louisiana, Arkansas, Texas, maybe a little bit of Oklahoma, and I forget, that's Mississippi. Here are the states that will be affected by this 15 to 30% area. You got Louisiana, Texas, Mississippi, Tennessee, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Alabama, Georgia, Missouri, Kentucky, and North Carolina. Alrighty, here are some towns or major cities that will be affected by this storm system that will come through. I'm not gonna read them all. Like I said last video, that's a lot of just taking up my time and yours. You can pause the video and read them by yourself. Here's a supercell composite. If you're in the risk, I'd be looking at this, because if I'm hovering my mouse over areas in like Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, you can see how many supercells will be in that area. We don't know the times yet because it's too far out, but we will see. Here's a supercell composite. If you're in the risk, I'd be looking at this, because now on to March 6th, as you can see, there's the risk for that day. I won't be surprised if it gets upped as we get closer, which means it'll probably get updated to at a 30% area, and it probably won't be, sorry, until like 2 or 3 days out though. The states that will be affected by this storm that will be coming through that area, you got Florida, Alabama, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, and Tennessee. Here are some major cities or bigger towns in these states that will be affected. Like I said earlier, I'm not going to read these towns because they take a lot of my time and your time. The supercell composite for this state is a little bit different. As you can see, there's probably not as much supercells, but it's still a week away. But I'm hovering my mouse over them. You can see how many supercells will be in that area. Yeah, this video might not have been too informational about these two storms or storm systems that will be rolling through those areas, probably because it's still about a week away. But with like 2 or 3 days before both of these events, I'll have another video posted, and it will be a more detailed breakdown. That's probably what happened with almost every storm cell or storm systems that will move through the United States.